last episode we dealt with some special squares. Now we do continue with them. Already we have discussed two digital squares thoroughly, and in the last episode we have taken up some special squares. Now we will continue that special squares.
Special squares.
In the last episode I told you how to square a number that ends with 5, ending with 5. Now I will tell you how to find the square of a number in few seconds that starts with 5. So it is
starting with 5.
But here just by seeing the number we can tell the answer, just by seeing the number in a second or two. Previously I told you how to do when it starts with 5, when it ends with 5. Now let us see how to find the square of a number when it starts with 5. Suppose
57 square equal to 57 into 57. 7 into 7 equal to 49. 9 here, 4 outside. 7 into 5 equal to 35. 35 plus 4 equal to 39. Write it as 39. 5 into 7 equal to 35. 5 here, 3 outside. 5 into 5 equal to 25. 25 plus 3 equal to 28. 28 here. 9, 4, 2, 3. The final answer is 3249. A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. 57 whole square. Assume that AB step 1 equal to B square equal to 7 whole square equal to 49. 9 here, 4 outside. Step 2 equal to 2AB equal to 2 into 5 into 7 equal to 70. 70 plus 4 equal to 74. 4 here, 7 outside. Step 3 equal to A square equal to 5 square equal to 25. 25 plus 7 equal to 32. Write it as 32.
And what is outside? 7. 25 plus 7, 32. 3249. I think it is clear. This is universal. This formula A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Just you can use it and find the square of any number, but it also takes some time. But better than our traditional maths, instead of multiplying 7, 7, you know all these things. But here, as I have told you how we have to do with ending with 5, now we do like that in few seconds when the number starts with 5. This also can be done in few seconds. How? Like that, let us
59 into 59. 9 into 9, 81. 1 here, 8 outside. 9 into 5 equal to 45. 45 plus 8 equal to 53. Write it as 53. 5 into 9 equal to 45. 5 here, 4 outside. 5 into 5 equal to 25. 25 plus 4 equal to 29. Write it as 29. 1843. 57 whole square is 3249. 59 whole square is 3481.
you can tell the answer. There is no need to go for A plus B whole square or multiply anything. Simply in a second or two you can say. How? First what to do is, here you square the 5. What is 5 square? 5 square is 25 and add this 7. Clearly you listen, square the 5. When it starts with 5, always you have to square this 5 or take it as 25. 25 plus 7, 32, and square the last number. 7 7 49. Am I clear? 5 square is 25 plus 7, 32, 7 7 49. 5 square 25 plus 9, 25 plus 9 how much? 34. 9 9 81. Will it take more than 2 seconds? Like that any number.
58 whole square equal to 5 5s 25, 25 plus 8 33, write it as 33, 8 8 64, write it as 64. 56 whole square, 5 5s 25, 25 plus 6 31, 6 into 6 36, write it as 3136. 55 whole square equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25, 25 plus 5 equal to 30, write it as 30. 5 into 5 equal to 25, write it as 25.
5, next digit is 6, 6 5 is 30, 5 5 is 25. Am I clear? Previous episode. If you take it as ending with 5, okay? 5, next digit 6, 6 5 is 30, 5 5 is 25, already I told you. Here we are taking it as starting with 5. When it starts with 5, okay, 5, what is 5 square? 25 plus 5, 30, and 5 5 is 25. Like that.
54 square equal to 5 into 5 25, 25 plus 4 29, write it as 29, 4 4 16.
Clear? Here when it starts with 5, 5 square, add to the second number. 5 square is 25. Add 25 to the ones place and 1 square. Now
53 square equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25, 25 plus 3 equal to 28, 28, 3 into 3 9, write it as 09. 52 square equal to 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 2 27, 2 into 2 4, write it as 04. 51 square 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 1 26, 1 into 1 1, write it as 01.
when a number starts with 5, square 5, that is 25, add to the right side, 25 plus 7 32, 7 7 is 49. 59, 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 5 plus 9 34, 9 9 is 81, anything. See 56, 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 6 31, 6 6 is 36. 54, 5 5 is 25 plus 4 29, 4 square 16. Here also same thing, but you have to get 4 digits, so you have to add 0. 53 square is 5 5 is 25 plus 3 28, 3 square is 9, but you write it as 09. And 52 square 5 5 is 25 plus 2 27, 2 square is 04. 51 square 5 5 is 25 26 01. So see it is starting with 5. So ending with 5, starting 5. Roughly I am telling, if you want
25 square equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6, 5 into 5 25. 95 square equal to 9 into 10 equal to 90. 90, 5 into 5 equal to 25, write it as 25. 57 square, 5 into 5 equal to 25, 25 plus 7 equal to 32, write it as 32. 7 into 7 49. 59 square, 5 into 5 equal to 25, 25 plus 9 equal to 34, 9 into 9 81, write it as 81.
Don't get confused. When it starts with 5, you have to square the 5, that is add 25 to this number and square of last number. Here when it ends with 5, go to the next digit which is in 10th place. Here it is 2, next digit 3, 3 2 6, 5 5 25, 9, next digit 10, 10 9 is 9, like that. This is ending with 5, this is starting 5, is it not? Can't we do in few seconds just by seeing that number? These things will be helpful to you in, see, you will use the general examinations, you can do all these small things, but in competitive examinations really it plays major role. They will give in between, somewhere you will get 59 square, and when if you want to do plus a plus b whole square, that also takes some time, a square plus 2a, all these things, but here immediately 5 square 25 plus 9 34, 9 9 is 81, you can say. So kindly learn this perfectly, and as and when it is required, you please add these special squares, that is ending with 5 and starting with 5. So up to now I have told you perfectly how to square 2 digital numbers, okay? That is right from 11 or 12 to 99, happily you can do. And I told the procedures also, where you have to use a plus b whole square formula and ending with 5 and starting with 5. All these things naturally do help you in competitive examinations. Generally in competitive examinations, let it be even civil services, they ask small questions like this.
54 to the power of 9 by 54 to the power of 7 equal to 54 to the power of 9 minus 7 equal to 54 to the power of 2 equal to 29 16 2916.
Like this they ask. And in somewhere a man has a land whose, see, a square land means all four sides are equal, whose side is 75 meters, and he wants to spend some 35 rupees per square meter to make it clean something. Do you understand? A man does have a land, a square land whose side is 75 meters, and he wants to spend some 35 rupees for each square meter to make it clean or something. Then the thing is, you have to find the square. So, immediately 75 square. Here 7, this is starting with 5, this is ending with 5. Starting with 5, 5 plus 25 plus 4 20. Ending with 5 means you have to go to the next digit. So, 7, what is the next digit? 8. 8 into 7, 56. 5 into 5, 25 square meters. Okay. And he wants to spend 35 rupees. That I told you. I think I need not repeat here. How to multiply with 2 digits, 5 into 3, 56, 35, cross multiplication, all these things I told you. So, it will take another 10-15 seconds. You can finish it soon. So, these things commonly they will appear in competitive examinations, and you can use these ending with 5 and starting with 5 instead of using a plus b whole square. Or else if you do forget this, you can happily use that formula, a plus b whole square is equals a square plus 2ab plus b square you will get. But when it comes ending with 5 or starting with 5, kindly see, when it starts with 5, 5 square, add to this 5 square plus 4 29 and 4 square 16. When it starts with 5, 7, what is the next digit? 8, 8 7 56, 5 5 20. So, these three methods using a square, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is permanent. You can use that formula for any of 2 digits, happily you will get. And the things which you have to forget, which you have to remember here is, when you are operating 2 digits, you have to take 1 digit only. When you are applying that rule, a square plus 2ab plus, I am revising, when you are operating 2, because you are operating 2 digits, you have to take 1 digit only, like this. Suppose the same 25 square, 5 5 is 25, 5 here, 2 outside, because you have to take only 1 digit, and 2ab, 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 2 22. So, again 2 here, 2 outside, next 2 2 is 4 plus 2 6, like this you have to take only 1 digit when you are operating 2 digits. That rule you have to remember. When it ends with 5, go to the next digit and multiply, and 5 square. When it starts with 5, square the 5 and add to the right side number and do like this. And if these numbers are not there, go that final thing of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that can be applied to all 2 digital numbers. Okay. Now, as I have already informed you, there are still some easy method is there, that 100% I will tell you, I will let you know. Apart from this, there is still an easier method, I will tell you, and in our next episode we will go for 3 digital multiplication, 3 digital squares, and there are 2-3 ways of doing that, clearly I do explain. Okay. How to multiply 203 whole square, or how to do 203 whole square, or how to do 293 whole square. You can easily do 203 whole square, and then you see like this, 203 whole square you can do easily, like that 293 whole square also can be done easily. Anything 3 digits, anything 689 we can do it. I will tell you how to do all these things in the next episode. So, be thorough up to here, how to square two digital number easily. These two methods, ending with 5, starting with 5, and that a plus b whole square final method. And from next episode onwards, we will go for 3 digits, 4 digits or 5 digits. You can square any number of numbers easily using some more methods. I will tell all the methods where you can do them in few seconds. Thank you.